Introducing Zoe. Zoe brings the future to your fashion, featuring electroluminescent soles, RGB pilot lights, and Bluetooth app control. Motion sensing technology allows Zoe to react to your foot movement, matching your moves with its own. Power on, pair up, pick your mode. Then dig into the app for even more creative control. With step control mode, Zoe changes colors as it tracks your steps, keeping your style fresh all day and night. Zoe's modern, laceless design combines fashion and function. With triangular, ultra-resilient grip, highly breathable fabric, and IP67 splash-resistant exterior, because drip is forever. When all said and done, recharge your Zoe in 2 hours or less with the magnetic charging cables, putting you back on your feet in no time. Your movement is your own. Your style is unique. And now, your world is full of light. Zoe, light up your way. Back us today and receive your very own.